Ebusian for me in the Richard. Many the manager for KusRich machinery. Pure machine is simming chain a roasting machine. A machine the chinema in a larger quantity. Tibi opesa wo chin katie bebre. Opesa wo oye Tom Brown adwuma. Opesa wo che oniama in a very large quantity. Machine is here. Ebetimi ayesa adwuma ndia ma ebetimi a chin katie ade bi opesa wo chi bia before answer ne bia wayam. Anasa da ye adwuma die bia no machine we betimi achia ma in a very big or in a very large quantity. Pure machine is in sanify so here display fridge, cake display fridge. So machine betimi display on nema bit say cake. If you pastries, putting it in a fridge form, or display no machine way betimi aye the amount. Machine way so we the fruit juice extraction. Fruit juice free fruit mu in a very high or a very large quantity. Machine way betimi say amount. You can do up to 2 tons a day, 2 tons of product a day. Machine way monso no yedi tutu ebro. Opese ututu ebro open and 10 ya fe na don 70 to 111 o segu machine we betutu ebro no nyina de amount very easy in a very short time. KusRich machine bia ohia bia na machine bebrebe ye wo shrink and wrap machine ye wo toilet roll machine ye wo dehydrators ye wo machines bebrebe machine be na ope KusRich na be wow asset up of factory and as a machine bia de do bia de amount ohia ni abra Kumasi branch I wo on the Fadiman Pontin Road right opposite the Sims SHS. Yene Sims senior high no in the ehwani mu. But so by one so Accra there was Spintex. Udruma net junction na obuza obi a say oh ko be bia China for no ton machines na on be kire mo. Udruma net junction just give us a call be bia obi an company car ba be foul. Both Kumasi and Accra. KusRich never ton machine na me damase.